How to Train Your Mouth to Speak Fluent English 6-Part Fluency Training Series. Speech Tips System. Part 1. Train your mouth muscles. Foundation of fluency. Most learners think fluency about grammar or vocabulary, but real fluency starts with your mouth, tongue, and speed control. If your mouth is not trained, your brain already loses speed. 1. Why your mouth feels slow in English. You may know the word, but you cannot say it fast because your tongue is not used to English sound positions. Your lips don't move quickly between words you translate in your head before speaking. Your mouth is still native language trained. Fluency is a physical skill, not just mental knowledge. 2. Mouth training exercise daily 10 minutes. Do this every day. Step 1. Slow word stretching. Slowly and clearly. I am going to school. I want to speak English fluently. I like learning new words. Repeat each sentence 5 times slowly, then 5 times faster. Step 2. Mouth speed drill. Repeat quickly. I want to go. I gotta do it. Let me see. Gimme that. These train natural English contraction flow. Step 3. Tongue warm up. Very important. Repeat. Red leather. Yellow leather. She sells seashells. Ice cream. You scream dough. It slowly gives, then fast. 3. The shadow mouth technical assistant to any English speaker. YouTube, podcast, then speak at the same time. Copy rhythm, not just words. Match mouth movement exactly. Don't pause. Don't translate. 4. Stop translating habit. Critical rule. If you translate in your head, I think in my language gives, then English you must switch to direct English mouth response. Start with simple thoughts. I need water. I am tired. Let's go outside. 5. Fluency rule of mouth speed. Fluency is not speaking perfect English. Fluency is speaking without stopping, speaking without fear, speaking with rhythm. Even broken English is fine if it is fast and natural. Mini practice. Do today. Say 20 times, I am training my mouth to speak English fast and clearly, then increase speed every 5 repetitions. Next parts preview. Part 2. Brain to mouth connection. Thinking in English system. Part 3. Real conversation training. Daily life English. Part 4. Speed plus accent plus natural flow techniques. Part 5. Confidence training. No fear speaking method. Part 6. 30-day fluency routine. Complete plan. ***. Part 2. Think in English. Speak without pausing system if you want instant fluency. The biggest secret is this. Don't think in your language and translate. Think directly in English sentences. This is what separates slow speakers from fluent speakers. 1. Why you pause when speaking English. You pause because your brain is doing 3 steps. Think in your native language, translate into English, try to speak. This causes delay, confusion, and silence. Fluent speakers do only 1 step. Direct English thought, give speech. 2. The no translation rule from today. No translating inside your head. No forming native sentences first. Instead, think simple English. Immediately expo. Instead of thinking, I want to go to shop in your language first, think directly, I want to go to the shop. Even better, I'm going to the shop. 3. The instant sentence building method. Train your brain like this. Take 1 idea, gives. Build fast English. Example. Idea. I am hungry. Train variations. I am hungry. I'm very hungry. I'm really hungry now. I need food. This builds fast thinking pathways. 4. Daily thinking drill. Very powerful. Do this 5 to 10 minutes daily. Look around you and say in your mind, I am sitting. I am looking at my phone. It is a hot day. I need water. I am learning English. No translation allowed. Only direct English thoughts. 5. The repeat and replace trick. Take 1 sentence. I want to go home and replace words quickly. I want to eat. I want to sleep. I want to study. I want to relax. This trains fast mental switching. 6. Speak immediately rule. No thinking delay. When someone asks you a question, don't think for long. Don't build perfect sentence. Say this. Start speaking immediately. Fix grammar while speaking. Example. Question. What did you do today? Begin. Today I go. I went to work and then I came home. This is real fluency training. 7. 3-second response rule. Train yourself. When you hear a question, you must start speaking within 3 seconds even if it's not perfect. Fluency equals speed plus confidence, not perfection. 8. Mini practice. Do now answer in English immediately. What are you doing now? What did you eat today? Where are you going later? No stopping, no translation. Fluency secret summary. If you remember only this, think in English words, not sentences in your language. Start speaking immediately. Keep sentences simple. Fix grammar later, not before speaking. Art 3. Real conversation English daily life speaking training. Now you already learned mouth training part 1, thinking in English part 2. Now we move to the most important stage, real life conversation fluency. Bouse fluency is not what you know, it is what you can say in real situations. 1. Shopping English fast and natural speaking. Basic situation. Buying something. Customer: how much is this? Can I try this? Do you have a smaller size? I'll take this one. Store replies: it costs 50 dirhams. Yes, you can try it. Sorry, we don't have it. Anything else? Fluency upgrade natural speech. Instead of I want to buy this product, say I'll take this. I'm gonna get this one. Native speakers always shorten sentences. 2. Restaurant English very important. Ordering food: I'd like a burger. Can I get a coffee? No onions? Please, that's all. Thank you. Real conversation. Waiter: what would you like? You: I'll have chicken, rice, and a juice, please. Natural upgrade. Instead of I want to order food, say I'll have. Can I get? This makes you sound fluent instantly. 3. Travel English airport plus taxi plus hotel. Airport: where is the check-in counter? I have a booking. Here is my passport. Taxi: take me to this address. How much will it cost? Please go straight. Hotel: I have a reservation. Can I get the room key? What time is checkout? Natural fluency tip. Instead of full sentences, I would like to go to hotel, say hotel please. Take me to the hotel. Short equals fluent sounding. 4. Friends conversation real speaking style. Everyday English. What's up? How are you doing? Long time no see. Let's hang out. Reply naturally. I'm good, not bad, I'm a bit tired. Yeah, sure. Let's go. Fluent upgrade. Instead of I am very fine, thank you, say I'm good, I'm okay. Short answers equals native style. 5. The real English rule fluency is not long grammar sentences. Perfect English. Memorized textbook lines. Fluency is short sentences, fast responses, simple words, natural reactions. 6. Daily conversation training method. This every day. Step 1. Pick one situation. Shop, restaurant, taxi, friend, talk. Step 2. Say 10 sentences out loud. Step 3. Repeat faster 3 times. 7. Shadow conversation method. Watch a YouTube conversation. Then, repeat immediately after speaker. Copy tone, copy speed, copy emotion. Don't translate, just mimic. Mini practice. Do now say out loud. I'll have coffee. How much is this? I'm going to the shop. Let's meet later. I'm on my way. Repeat 5 times faster each round. Summary of Part 3. To speak real English fluently, use short sentences. Learn real-life phrases. Don't overthink grammar. Speak like conversation, not textbook. Part 4. Speed plus accent plus natural flow. Speak like native speakers. Now you can. Form sentences. Part 2. Handle daily conversation. Part 3. Next level is speak fast without sounding robotic. This is where you stop sounding like a learner and start sounding natural. 1. Why you sound non-fluent even if you know English. Most learners speak like this. I am going to the shop because you speak word by word. You don't connect words. You don't use rhythm. Native speakers don't speak words. They speak sound blocks. 2. Connected speech. Secret of fluency. English is not spoken word by word. It becomes I'm gonna go. What you're doing. Let me see. Gimme that. Practice. Instead of I am going to go there, say I'm gonna go there. Instead of give me that, say gimme that. This is natural English flow. 3. Speed training method. 3-level system. Level 1. Slow clear speaking. Speak slowly but correct. Level 2. Normal flow. Remove pauses, connect words. Level 3. Fast natural speech. Speak without thinking. Use contractions automatically. Daily drill. Say each sentence. I am going to school, I'm going to school, I'm gonna school. Fast natural. 4. Shadowing. Most powerful technique. This is how actors learn accents. How to do it. Play English audio. YouTube. Podcast. Repeat at the same time. Match. Speed, tone, emotion. Don't stop. Don't translate. Just copy sound. 5. Rhythm is more important than grammar. Fluent speech is like music. Stressed words, soft words, rising tone, falling tone. Example. I don't know what you mean, not equal stress. I don't know what you mean. Native rhythm is like a wave. 6. Contraction. Master list. Use daily. Use these automatically. I am gives, I'm, I will gives, I'll going to gives, gonna want to gives, wanna got to gives, gotta let me gives, let me give me gives, gimme. These make you sound fluent instantly. 7. No pause rule. Training. Practice speaking without stopping. Say, I'm going to the shop and I'm buying food and I'm coming back. Don't stop. Don't think. Even if grammar is not perfect, gives. Continue speaking. 8. Fluency trick. Think and sound, not words instead of thinking. I plus am plus going plus to plus e. Think, I'm gonna eat. Sound chunk. Your brain stores sound, not grammar rules. Mini practice. Do now. Say fast. I'm gonna go now. Let me see that what you're doing. I gotta go. I'll be there soon. Repeat 5 times faster each round. Summary of part 4. To sound fluent, use contractions. Speak in sound blocks. Shadow native speakers. Focus on rhythm, not grammar. Never pause too long. Part 5. Confidence training. Speak without fear and without freezing. Now you already know how to think in English, how to speak in real situations, how to sound natural and fast. But there is one final barrier. Fear of speaking. This is what blocks most learners, not grammar. 1. Why you freeze when speaking English? You freeze because of fear of making mistakes, fear of people judging you, thinking I must speak perfect English, overthinking every sentence. Result? Silence. But fluent speakers do not think like this. 2. Fluency rule number 1. Mistakes are normal. Fluent speakers make mistakes. Correct while speaking. Don't stop talking. Example. You say, yesterday I go. I mean I went to market. That is still fluent speaking. 3. Confidence switch. Important mindset shift. Change this. I must speak correctly too. I must communicate clearly. Communication greater than perfection. 4. The no-stop speaking rule when speaking English. Never stop mid-sentence. If you don't know a word, gives, explain it. Keep talking even if wrong. Example. Instead of stopping. I don't know. Say, it's a place where you buy food. Supermarket. This is real fluency behavior. 5. Pressure training. Real-life simulation. Train yourself under pressure. Step 1. Ask yourself questions. What did I do today? What am I planning tomorrow? How do I feel right now? Step 2. Answer immediately. No thinking. Step 3. Speak for 30 to 60 seconds nonstop. 6. The brave speaking method. Every day do. Talk to yourself in English. Describe your actions. Don't care about mistakes. Example. I am cooking now. I am feeling hungry. After this I will watch YouTube. Even if simple equals powerful training. 7. The emergency English method. When you forget words, instead of stopping, do this. Describe it. Use simple words. Keep flow. Alive. Example. I forgot the word. It is something you use to write. Pen. Fluent speakers never stop flow. 8. Confidence formulary. Fluency equals speed plus courage plus continuation. Not perfect grammar. Big vocabulary. 9. Daily confidence drill. Do this every day. Step 1. Speak 2 minutes nonstop. About your day, your plans, your thoughts. Step 2. Do not stop even if wrong. Step 3. Increase to 5 minutes after a week. Mini practice. Do now. Say out loud. I can speak English. I don't need perfect grammar. Will keep speaking. I am improving every day. Mistakes are okay. Repeat 5 times faster each round. Summary of Part 5. To become confident. Speak without fear. Don't stop talking. Focus on meaning, not grammar. Explain words you don't know. Accept mistakes as normal ***. Part 6 30-Day Fluency Plan. Complete daily routine to speak English fluently. This is your full system. If you follow this daily, your speaking will change fast because it combines everything. Mouth training, thinking in English, real conversation speed plus flow confidence. Now we turn it into a simple daily system. 1. The big truth about fluency. Fluency is not learning 10,000 words, studying grammar for years, memorizing rules. Fluency is daily speaking practice, repetition, building automatic speech. 2. Your daily 30-minute fluency routine. Do this every day for 30 days. Step 1. Mouth warm-up 5 minutes. Say fast and slow. I am learning English. I want to speak fluently. I can do this. I am improving every day. Then repeat faster 5x. Step 2. Think in English 5 minutes. Look around you and say, I am sitting, I am learning, I am using my phone. It is a normal day. Nitrogen monoxide translation aloud. Step 3. Speak nonstop 10 minutes. Pick one topic. Your day, your job, your hobbies, your plans. Speak without stopping. No silence. No thinking pauses. Even simple English is okay. Step 4. Shadow speaking 5 minutes. Watch a short English video. Then repeat. Same speed, same tone, same rhythm. Don't translate. Just copy sound. Step 5. Real conversation practice 5 minutes. Practice daily life. I want coffee. How much is this? I'm going to work. Let's meet later. Say them fast and natural. March 30th Day Progression Plan. Days 1 to 10. Foundation, slow speaking, simple sentences, mouth training, focus. Days 11 to 20. Flow building, less thinking, more speaking, start shadowing faster. Days 21 to 30. Fluency mode, speak without stopping, natural rhythm, automatic sentences. 4. Golden rules, never break these. Speak every day. Never wait for perfect grammar. Don't translate in your head. Keep sentences simple. Speed matters more than accuracy. 5. Fluency checkpoint test after 30 days. You should be able to speak to 5 minutes without stopping. Answer questions quickly. Use short natural sentences. Understand basic conversations easily. 6. Final fluency secret. Fluency is not learned. It is trained. Your mouth becomes automatic through repetition. Final mini practices now. I will speak English every day. I will not fear mistakes. I will improve step by step. I am becoming fluent. 5 times faster each round. You finish the 6-part system. Know you have a complete speaking training system. Mouth training, thinking system, real conversation speed and accent flow confidence 30-day plan.